Hello friends, today we will discuss some basics of CREO. To start with, when I click New and uncheck the Use Default Template and give a file name Cube, then click on OK, we have number of options. The first thing we have to understand is this INLBS means inch pound system. Then there is MMNS, that means millimeter Newton second system. Then we have mmks, that means millimeter kg per second. Now we are creating a part solid, so we will create using mmns part solid. Then there is abs meaning absolute and rel means relative. Then we will click on OK. Then we will click on sketch. Now when I click this front plane and click on sketch, if you notice, the orientation and the view of this did not change. Then I will click on this icon, go to center rectangle, click on left click, again left click in the center, scroll out the mouse, move the mouse, then click on the scroll button, double click this value and enter 200, double click this value and enter 400, then click on enter. Now if you notice, I have provided an exact value. Now if I click on one side, left click on one side and move the mouse, this is not fixed, this is changing. Again I will double click this value and give 400. Now what I will do is put the mouse on this value, left click, then we will have an option that is lock. Then click on this. Now if I again left click on the side and try to move it, it will not move. This value is locked. Similarly, this 200 height is not locked. So if I click on it and try to move it, it's still moving. So I will change this, click in this value and click on lock. Now this value will not move. I will double click it and enter 200. Then click on OK. Now we have a rectangle and the dimension of this rectangle are locked, so it will not change. But we can make that changing the dimension by default. For this, we will click on File, click on Options. First thing, we will try to make the sketcher parallel to the screen. So we will click on this sketcher, scroll down and click on this icon. Make the sketching plane parallel to the screen. And we will click another icon, dimension behavior. While dragging the section, we will click on lock user defined dimensions. Then we will click on OK. Then it says that the configuration settings you have made will be applied to the current settings only, or do you want to save this configuration file? I will say yes. And it will ask me a location, so I will click on documents and click OK. Now after I have done this, let's create another sketch. I will click on this plane, top plane, click on sketch. Now if you notice, the top plane just became parallel to the screen right away. Now I will again create a rectangle using this command. Click on the center, move the mouse out, left click, then scroll button click, then we have this value. I will put 200, and if you see the color of this dimension changed to red, which means this dimension has been locked. If I try to click on this and move it, it will not move. But if I click on this and move it, it's still moving. So this dimension is not locked. I can double click it and enter 300. And now if you see, this color has also changed to red, meaning this dimension has also been locked. So whenever we changed it, means whenever the user changes any dimension, it gets locked. Now we will click on OK. So these are few basic things in CREO. While designing, this helps. Thank you. If you like this video, please click on the like icon and share the video. For more videos, click on the bell icon and subscribe to my channel.